a book of stories intertwined, pages filled with love so deep and kind. The cover shines with golden hue so bright, a tale of us in wisdom's gentle light. God above has brought us near, united hearts so pure love dear. I love you, darling, here I wait. This burning love will not abate, a flame that lasts through time and space, forever yours, my heart's embrace.